Hello, and welcome to this AutoGen video. We are going to take just a few minutes to talk about how to format purchase order templates for use in the AutoGen desktop database software. There are several reasons we may want multiple forms for creating purchase orders. The most obvious would be if we do purchasing for more than one organization. Let's say we run an import-export business with 3 distinct but related services. First, we do our importing and exporting, no doubt. But then, we also have our own e-commerce website selling digital cameras. And, finally, we decide to establish a practice that uses our expertise and connections to provide consulting services to local companies that need help setting up dropshipping operations. We may find that it is prudent, for accounting and legal purposes, to do individual purchasing for each of these 3 business types and have separate vendor accounts and transaction ledgers. The purchase orders for each of these operations will look different. They will likely have different headers with different company names, and, perhaps, different logos and slightly different company address information. In AutoGen, we select options, Company Data, Add Company. Input all of the company contact information for Jensen's Import, Export, LLC. Click on Logo and add the Jensen Company logo. After adding all of the data for Jensen's Import, Export, we can select options, Font Settings. To make sure that each of the text items looks the way we want, according to font name, font style, and color. This is done by clicking directly on the text and setting its properties. Once we have set font properties, we can edit the actual labels to match the language of our organization. Select options, Phrase Settings, to change the text of any labels. For example, we may want to change the term product number to stock number or SKU. What we have done here is to set up a purchase order form template for Jensen's Import-Export. Each new purchase order created for this company will look like the template we have just defined. Now, we repeat the process for Jensen Cameras Online, and, again, for the Jensen Consulting Group. We have now 3 PO templates. If we look at purchase orders created for each of these companies, we get a better understanding of form templates in the database context. So, you can see how this would extend to a corporate employee who is responsible for purchasing for some of the corporation's franchisees or branch offices, or an independent bookkeeper who handles purchasing for some of his or her clients. Please note, the Jensen organizations, as well as the business addresses and graphic logos shown in this video, are fictitiously contrived for example purposes only. Visit http://youtube.com/users/sohosoft